Today I'm making a microwave mug cake. The ingredients you need to make a microwave mug cake is all-purpose flour, sugar, baking cocoa, baking soda, salt, milk, oil, water, vanilla, sugar, and M&Ms. 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/8 teaspoon, and a mug. This is all the ingredients we need. First, you need 1/4 cup of flour. Next, we need another 1/4 cup of sugar. And then you need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then you need 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then you need 3 tablespoons of milk. And then you need 2 tablespoons of oil. And then you need 1 tablespoon of water. Then you need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla powder. And then we stir all the ingredients. Finally, you can add your favorite candy. I'm doing M&Ms. That's enough. Then you stir it. Last but not least, you put your mixture into the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Look at it go. And now this is the final product you should have. Pretty good. That's not bad. It's good. Hey assistant, go taste it.